Kinematics. This is page 317, question 37. Okay, so a particle moves in a straight line such that the displacement is given by this function. Find the initial displacement. I hope you remember how to. Okay, number one, initial happens when t is when t is 0. So this is 0 plus 4 minus 0. So basically it's ln 4, right? 10 ln 4. 10 ln 4 is 13.9. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Find the values of t when simultaneously at rest. When will the particle be at rest? When v is 0. So let v be 0. But first, can we differentiate first? Differentiate ln, what do you get? This is 10. This is t squared plus 4. When I differentiate t squared, I get 2t. When I differentiate 4, I get 0. Differentiate negative 4t, I get minus 4. Right? Okay. So when the particle instantaneously at rest, v is 0. So this is 20 t squared plus 4 minus 4. I can bring the 4 over. A bit slow here. Can I not do this? Never mind. So you cancel. This is t squared plus 4 equals to 5t. So what I've done is I'm going to cancel this 2. It becomes 5, right? So what I have here is a quadratic equation that I can double bracket factorize it, and I have 2 answers for t. 2 answers, the values of t. Okay, find the value of t particle acceleration of the particle is 0. When will it have a 0 acceleration? You differentiate the velocity, you let it be, you get a, you let it be 0. Yeah, acceleration, if I differentiate this, remember how to differentiate this? Maybe I put this together, it's 20, right? Think this way, 20, yeah? Use what? vu prime, v, differentiate 20t, I get 20u, 20t, v prime, 2t over v squared. And what happens if I differentiate negative 4? You get 0. Okay, so I need to find this when a is 0. Okay, let us simplify this out. Multiply inside. Or should I take out 20? I tend to take out 20. I think it's easier. T squared plus 4. Take out 20, left with 2t squared. This is this will give us 4 minus t squared plus 4 squared. Right. Now, when your a is 0, your numerator must be 0. Denominator can't be 0. So when your numerator is 0, now the 20 you can just drop it. Is 4 minus t squared equals 0. T squared is 4. T is what? 2. More than 0. That's all right.